Making memories with every mile.
Welcome to Every Mile!
Every mile.
Hello and welcome to Every Mile. Today we are at the Elkhorn Slough Reserve to check out some of the past, the nature, the
Visitor Center.
visitor center. Thank you. And we're gonna enjoy the day. It's a little windy, but it's still a beautiful day. We're trying to get out and about before the rain starts.
Hi! Welcome.
It's kind of fun, huh? What's in there, man? Yeah. This is a sea otter. This is a really cool visitor center. What is that one? So here at Elkhorn Slough, where you at, G? Here at Elkhorn Slough, they have over 5 miles of trails that go down along the water. Some are paved, like the one we're currently on. Others are dirt road. There's a really cool bridge we're gonna come to that we'll show you. But this is our first time here, so we're really excited to check it out. You ready?
Yeah.
There's lots of muddy puddles here from the rain. You might want to watch out for the puddles. You have to watch out because the wind is super hard.
Okay, now you're probably wondering, what is a slough? Now I'll tell you, I don't know.
A slough is a marshland that's connected to the ocean.
This bridge is kind of cool.
Yeah, it's really cool. It's wide enough so you don't feel like it's too scary for you just to fall in. So it's right in the middle. We are heading over to Hummingbird Island. So cross another land bridge.
I do want to do a thank you to my buddy Dave. His YouTube channel is Fat Guy with a Backpack. I'll have a link below. He recommended us checking out this place, so check out his channel. He's kind of cool. Now there is a part right here where you do have to cross the train tracks, but I don't think the train's actually been active here for like years. As far as I can recall, I haven't seen a train on these tracks for a long time. How you surviving, Mom?
Awesome. This is a really, really easy hiking trail. Really good for the kids.
Yeah, it is accessible for the most part. There is that one little staircase and then crossing the train tracks. But aside from that, it's very accessible. If you stay on that side of the tracks, you're good. What's been your favorite part of these hikes?
So far, it is the mud flaps.
What about them? What was your favorite part about those?
Well, they hold so many creatures, and they hold so much life. Yeah.
Honest and truly, if nothing else, there's so many beautiful views of the back bays here. Moss Landing right behind me, that power plant. It's beautiful. So even just getting out for a beautiful little hike, it's wonderful. I think this thing's so cool. I don't know what it is. It just looks like a rainbow. But the cool thing is that it's made out of like broken seashells and lava rocks.
Who needs a tree if it ain't even growing?
Today we're doing hiking today. It's a beautiful view, and you have to watch where you're walking. The water is really beautiful today. These are my favorite colored flowers. My favorite.
One thing I would recommend as you go to the visitor center, pick up a paper copy of the trail maps. It is really helpful. There's been a couple times where we pulled it out just to kind of see where we're at, where we can go, and that kind of thing. So it's a nice thing to have. And that's our day. Thank you for coming with us to the Elkhorn Slough. Thanks for coming with us on this adventure, and we will catch you next time.
Bye.